So, y'all, I just got off my call and I completely forgot to record it. Y'all, Vlogmas day 4 has been a doozy. This was my first day back to work after my little mini vacation. And let me just say, work wasn't actually that bad. But I went to the gym. Was that my first time since Friday? My first time back to the gym since Friday. And when I tell y'all, that gym has taken everything out of me. I'm sitting here because I have a wham tonight with my accountability partner. This is our first one on my 12-week year. She's actually not doing the 12-week year, but she has a goal that she's trying to accomplish before the end of the year as well, and agreed to be my accountability partner. So that's happening in about 40 minutes. So I'm just buttoning up my plan and checking off what I got accomplished today, which wasn't much. I did make some lentils when I got home from work, and we had pizza for dinner because I was just like, listen, I don't know what they was doing today at OrangeTheory, but listen, I think we did all of the squats that a person can do. We did the goblets and the transverse alternates and the I'm like, listen, my glutes, and it's like, ma'am, I just literally got out of the tub. I had to soak because I know tomorrow is not gonna be nice. So sorry that today, day 4 Vlogmas is so short, but it wasn't a lot today. I literally went to work and went to the gym. So like I said, it was a quiet day as far as like content, but tomorrow I'll try to share a little bit more so it's not so short. But I may I'll let y'all see a little bit of my call, just a smidge, if I can blur out the other person so that they business ain't in the streets. But yeah, that's pretty much it. After my call, I'll be editing this vlog today and trying to get it up before midnight. It shouldn't be too rough because it's not a lot. I think I just have just a couple of clips to put together. So hopefully between that and my call, it won't take me too long to record this vlog. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here and I'll come back and share a little bit of my call with you guys before I finish this video off for tonight. Oh, before I forget, let me show you my little timer that I've already used a couple times. Thank you, Aaron on Demand, for this little tip. I love this timer. It is fan-freaking-tastic. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay, so it's 20 minutes. Or you can pause it by turning it up. So whatever time you put it on, let's see. Can't see that. It's 25 minutes. This thing is fantastic. I love it. And then when you don't want to use it as a timer, you just flip it over and put it on clock. You could turn this speaker off, which I'm gonna do because it's kind of annoying. It's kind of aggy. So yeah. So y'all, I just got off my call and I completely forgot to record it, but we did really well. We both set our intentions for the week and what we're gonna follow up on next week. We did exactly 20 minutes. It's 9:23 now, so I'm going to now edit this vlog and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.